Most people see Walmart Scan and Go and assume it's just another self-checkout feature. But here's the truth no one tells you. When used correctly, Scan and Go can help you skip long checkout lines and make your shopping trip much faster. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Walmart Scan and Go in 2026, step by step. I'll also show you the mistakes first-time users make and how to avoid them. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need the Walmart app installed on your phone. Sign into your Walmart account and make sure your payment method is already added to the app. This step is important because you'll complete your purchase digitally. Next, open the Walmart app while you're inside a participating Walmart store. Locate the Scan and Go feature within the app and start a shopping session. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Instead of placing items into your cart and scanning everything later, you'll scan each product as you shop. Simply use your phone's camera to scan the barcode on the item. Once scanned, the item is automatically added to your virtual cart. You can review quantities, remove products, or check your running total directly from your phone. Take Jake as an example. He needs groceries, cleaning supplies, and pet food. As he shops, he scans each item immediately. By the time he's finished shopping, his entire cart is already checked out and ready for payment. But here's the problem. Many people forget to verify that every item scanned correctly. Before completing your purchase, always review your virtual cart to make sure quantities and products match what you're actually buying. This is where most people fail. They rush through the process and don't double-check their cart before payment. A quick review can prevent mistakes and save time later. In a minute, I'll show you the step that surprises many first-time users. Once you've finished shopping, open your virtual cart and proceed to check out within the app. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase directly on your phone. Now for the step that catches some people off guard. After paying, you may be asked to show a digital receipt or QR code when leaving the store. In some locations, Walmart associates may briefly verify your purchase. This is a normal part of the process and helps confirm that the transaction was completed successfully. Another useful tip is to keep your phone charged before shopping. Since you'll be scanning products and completing payment through the app, a low battery can interrupt the process. So here's the simple formula. Open the Walmart app, start Scan and Go, scan items as you shop, review your cart, pay through the app, and keep your digital receipt available. You now know how to use Walmart Scan and Go confidently in 2026. If this guide helped you shop faster, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, app tutorials, and shopping guides.